Hello kids, welcome! Today we will learn about kitchen stuff in English. Let's see the kitchen stuff then. Plate, spoon, fork, knife, stamp, pan, glass, bottle, coffee pot, salt. Yes, kids, today we learned about kitchen stuff. In order not to forget the words we have learned, you should repeat them a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out our other videos. See you later!